Cooking a 20-pound turkey, time and tips.
Hello, everybody. Today we're going to tackle a common question during the holiday season. How long will it take to cook a 20-pound turkey in the oven? It's essential to cook your turkey correctly, not only for taste but also for safety.
What's the basic cooking time?
So, first things first. The rule of thumb for cooking a turkey in the oven is about 15 minutes per pound in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven. This is for an unstuffed turkey. Doing the math, a 20-pound turkey would take approximately 300 minutes, or 5 hours, to cook.
Does stuffing affect the cooking time?
Yes, stuffing does affect the cooking time. If you plan on stuffing your turkey, you should add an additional 15 to 30 minutes to the total cooking time. This brings our total cooking time for a stuffed 20-pound turkey to around 5 hours and 15 minutes to 5 hours and 30 minutes.
What other factors influence cooking time?
Several factors can influence cooking time beyond the weight of the bird itself. Oven calibration. Ovens can run hot or cold, and this will affect your cooking time. It's a good idea to invest in an oven thermometer to ensure your oven is running true to temperature. Frequency of basting. Every time you open the oven door to baste your bird, you're letting out heat, and this can extend your cooking time. Dark or light roasting pan. Dark roasting pans absorb more heat than light ones and can reduce cooking time. Starting temperature of the turkey. If you start with a room temperature turkey instead of a cold one straight from the refrigerator, your cooking time can be reduced.
How do I know when my turkey is done?
The best way to know when your turkey is done is by using a food thermometer. Your turkey is done when the temperature in the innermost part of the thigh, the wing, and the thickest part of the breast all reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know, it takes about 5 hours, possibly a bit longer, to cook a 20-pound turkey in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and there are several variables to consider. Always ensure your turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe eating. We hope this helps you to prepare for your festive meals. Happy cooking!